We are pleased to show you the 2024 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, daytime running lamps, fog lamps, Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlet, compass, floor mats. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.